Hello everyone. How it's going now? I didn't make this video, so um, okay. So what I have here is, let me take this to the side. What I have here is these are the motors I took out from some VCR I found last Sunday, last weekend. So this is actually a box fan that my grandma found, and it's 120 volts. This is the same size of this one. And I'm impressed. This motor is 0.64 no 0.64 amps, and this one is has no amps. But they're both quite the same. But this one is 0.64 amps, and I think this spins faster than this one because there's there's different types of box fans. Box fan motor. Some is point 1.64, 2 point or whatever. So and this is actually a motor. This is a probably a cute one, but I never seen this before. And this is considered a motor too. I'm not gonna throw this away. I'm gonna keep it. And I took this apart from the VCR player. Something, yeah, VCR, CD, whatever this came from. Yeah. So this is the same one, and it's considered a motor. As you can see, this has a chip, a motherboard, a chip, the black chip right there. This wire thing came off. Yeah, this part came off. Oh snap, this part came off. So I gotta see if I could. Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, I have more cables like these. So I'm going to take this out and put the other one in. But I want to know how you get this thing work. I mean, I never seen this before. So I'm gonna see if I could test this soon. Um, and yeah, and this is the same one, but as you can see, it's different because I don't know what this is called, wire strips, wire, something like that. I don't know. But as here, the wire, it's still wires inside, but I gotta take this thing out and take out the wire. So this is they both the same though. But this is still, it's considered a motor too. See, as you can see, it spins. Um, um, yeah, it spins perfectly, and I like how they designed this. It's just they put there's like let's see, it's like 20 of them in there, copper or 20 rotor thing, whatever you call these part here. That they put copper on each one of them. One, two, three, yeah. So um and I took this apart too. This is from the same VCR. I have a bunch of these. It's some of them is 5.9 volts, 9.0 volts. Yeah. So, and this is a similar one. Um, excuse me. Let me just. Uh, what is it? What is it? Okay. Where is this at? Oh yeah. So this is similar than this one. They're actually the same though. Look at the size of it. Yeah, so it's probably 3 volts. I gotta look at this number. E020160074. I'm gonna Google this later. Mitsumi. Yeah, so that's, let me put this back in here. Um, okay, yeah. So these are the motors I took out from. Oh, this is not it. No, so put this back in here. Um, all right. So, oh, and also I'm gonna start using. I'm gonna start soldering the wires to this thing. Yeah. So this is the same one here. Oh my god. Yeah. So and I still need a resin core because I can't use a plumping soldering copper. Um, it's not copper. Yeah. So whatever you call it, that people there's different type of soldering wire, a plumping solder and resin core. Um, Now plumping core I can't use it because it's not for electricity. That's for the pipe thingy, something like that. And I cannot use this to solder the metal point to s- the rotor. Um yeah. So oh, crap. Sorry guys. Okay, so let's see. Gotta fix this. Okay, so yeah, so and I'm gonna start collecting headphones when I found them on the floor because yeah, so and I still have to rewind this motor, this 12-volt motor. As you can see, I took out the winding parts and I had to put this back the way it was. So I'm still waiting to get the resin core, and I need that one because that's good for putting the wire copper to this metal part there, metal joints, and I had to rewind it. So yeah, so now the problem is that I need to get a a voltmeter that measures the voltage, a voltmeter or a multimeter, whatever you call it. Um, because I need that one to tell how much voltage that circuit board needs or amps, whatever watts. Yeah, so I need that one and a tachometer, and that measures the RPMs. So I need that one, uh, um, a voltmeter, multimeter, whatever you call it. They're both the same, multimeter, voltmeter, and Watson core. I have flux one already. And I need a soldering iron sponge. So I'm still waiting on that one. So yeah, now this one, um, I don't know. This one is not working, and I want to know what's wrong with it. So I'm gonna take this apart, and I don't know how to take this um DC busless fan apart. I don't know how, and because I want to know what's wrong with it. I connected to a battery, and they didn't spin. So maybe it's the circuit board or the wire, or it's not connected to the metal part. The metal part, the gray thing that touches metal. Yeah, so I have to see what's wrong with it. All right, so that's it for now. Um, I forgot to make these videos that I took this apart from 10 devices. So thanks for watching. Um, now if you have any just leave a comment below. Ask me because I want to know how to open this thing apart and take out this thing. A fan blade, so I could see what's wrong with it. Cause I want to fix this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.